As an engineer working on the field for close to 15 years, I noticed that one of our problems on the site is, when I was done rolling, I took it inside on a good platform where I can access the various parts of the tape measure and see how I can assemble it back. Okay, so this is how I'm going about it. I noticed that there is a spring, okay, that stops the tape measure anytime you pull it. Yeah, so I've been able to arrange everything now. I'm making sure it works before I screw it back as a whole tape measure. Now I'm done with arrangement. I have placed it covered. I'm trying to, okay, so now screwing is ongoing. I'm screwing everything back, tightening it. Wow. So I